Welcome to my wonderful subscribers and viewers, wherever you are in this great, big, beautiful world. I hope you're all doing great. And to my new subscribers, thank you for joining the family. You mean the world to me. Today, I am going back to high school. Remember those lovely school dinners that we used to get? Apple crumble with custard. I am making apple crumble today, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. Okay, I'm using 4 apples, half a cup of unsalted butter, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a cup of sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and over there I have a bowl with some cold water. When I peel the apples and dice them, I'm going to put them in the cold water. That will stop them from browning. So I'm going to go ahead and start peeling the apples, but I'm going to peel them off of camera. Okay, so the apples are all diced. In this pot, I have 1.5 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm going to put the sugar in the pot, put the apples in, and boil the apples for 5 minutes. This was one of the first things I learned to make in school. In my cooking classes, we had to learn to make apple crumble. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead now and put them on the stove to cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, while the apples are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prepare the crumble. Okay, I'm going to put sugar in. In the 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, I'm going to add the butter. And you can use a fork if you like to make the crumble, but I'm going to use my hands. Okay, the crumble is coming along nicely. Just have to keep working at it. You can serve your apple crumble with custard, or it's really nice with vanilla ice cream, but I love custard with my apple crumble. Okay, the apples should be done now. It's almost 5 minutes since they're cooking, so they should be ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the dish. Okay, now the apples are in the baking dish. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Sprinkle it all over. Okay, I have sugar into the crumble, but I'm going to add just a little, half a teaspoon of sugar. You don't have to add it to yours, but I like to add a little bit more sugar. Okay, this is ready for me to add the crumble. The oven is preheated at 350 degrees. And I'm going to add the crumble and bake this for about 20 to 30 minutes. And this is the crumble. Look how beautiful it is. Isn't this the best crumble you have ever seen? Look at it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add it now. Okay, I'm going to spread this as evenly as I can. Okay, it's ready to go into the oven. The recipe will be in the description box. Okay, I'm going to go and put it in now for 20 minutes. Yes, the apple crumble pie is ready. I have been baking apple crumble pie for many, many years, and it never fails. I hope you are going to try this recipe. I guarantee you, if you try this recipe, you are going to love it. You are going to fall in love. And also, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.